Good morning, friends. The best way to test out sole material is on wet brick. I find this stuff to be the most slippery, and I'm checking out these Duratec sole repairs that I just did on my pair of Arizona Birks. You can see right there the Duratec. It's a 1.4 millimeter with a fabric backing, and I used Shoe Goo shoe adhesive to attach these, and then cured that for 24 hours with rubber bands and duct tape all around it to really secure it in there, and then trimmed it off just with scissors. And I'm out here walking this morning on the wet brick as a test for you guys, and it's grabbing in really good. I've previously used just the Shoe Goo on the heels and stuff, but that slips a lot on the brick or anywhere really. You really do want to use a soling material and use the Shoe Goo as the adhesive to whatever repair you're doing. So hopefully that pro tip helps you guys. Please post your comments below if you're into do-it-yourself shoe repair, especially with Birkenstocks. You know, these things are expensive, and it's nice to get more than one season out of them because the soles on Birkenstocks are pretty poor quality. They're not even rubber. It's that kind of polyvinyl foam stuff. So I'm not really crazy about that, but these Duratecs are going to give my shoes probably another year of life.